Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you remember, right? So I have discussed all the important method what we have in a string class, right? So guys, today I am going to explain one also most beautiful concept in our string class, right? So guys, that is also one method. That method is guys trim method. What is trim method? So guys, this method we are going to use generally in our application. So guys, this is most beautiful what method. So guys, so all we should know this method guys. So all the developer should know this method. What is trim method? So guys, in this entire video I will explain all about trim method only. So guys, with a small application, with a small real-time example, I will explain this concept. Okay? So guys, please be concentrated. So what I am going to explain. Okay? So what is trim method? How it is important for us in our Java application. Guys, see. So I will write some code, guys. Okay? I will write some code. With this code, will explain you how and where we can use this trim method. Guys, see. Guys, this is pseudocode. Same code I will explain also in IDE. So for understand purpose, I am writing this code here, guys. Or guys, directly we can write this code in our IDE because then you can understood very easily, guys. Okay. So let's see, for the purpose, I will create one class and guys, trim method test. Okay, trim method test. Okay, I'm writing here main method. See here. So guys, I have created one trim method test class, right? In this main method, I am going to write the code by which we can understand how trim method will work in our Java application. Okay, see. So let's see our main motto for this application. We need to take the input from the end user. What guys? We want to take the input from the end user. So guys, that purpose you know very well, right? So we need to create one scanner object, right? So guys, see, scanner sc equals to new scanner. We need to pass our input stream, right? So system dot in, right? Yes. And we need to import this our scanner class, right? Because scanner class available in our util package, right guys? So this thing you know very well, no need to explain, right? So let's see, after that guys, we can print one statement, right? So what statement guys? So sysout, right, enter the CT name. What is enter the CT name? Right? Enter the CT name. Right guys? So guys, we'll take the request or take the input from the end user to enter the CT name. Right guys? After that guys, so this CT name we are going to hold in some variable, right? We want to hold this CT name in some variable guys. So let's see a string name, right? A string name equals to what guy? You know very well how you're going to hold this value. So already we have created a scanner object guy. So sc dot next line. Yes or no guy? Next line. You can see this method there, next line, right? Yes. Right guy? Yes or no? Yes. Then guy, this is our holding the input. Right guy? Then guy, I have to write some logic. So after taking the input, after taking the city name from the end user, right, then we can manipulate, we can perform some operation as per the our city name. So let's see, please be concentrated. So guys, I'm going to write some condition, I'm going to write some logic. So let's see, if, so whatever name we are holding by the end user, so in name variable we are holding the all city, right? So let's see, if name dot equals, get, we have equals method already I have explained you. Yes, okay. So if our name dot equals, guys, see, Bangalore, guys, Bangalore. See, if we get, 1 minute, guys, see, if we get the request from the end user, Bangalore is city name, right? If our city name is a Bangalore, guys, so guys, what we are going to perform, guys, I am going to print some statement of hello Bangalorean. Yes or no? So I'm going to print some statement, guys. Sys out, okay, hello Bangalorean, hello Bangalorean. Yes or no? Hello Bangalorean, how are you? How are you? Yes or no, guys? That the message we are going to print. Any doubt, guys? I hope you should not have any confusion till now, because as per the user input, I am going to check if name dot equals Bangalore. That means we are going to print some statement. What? What, guys? I am going to print hello Bangalorean, how are you? Yes or no, guys? Yes. Guys, see, if we are not able to get city as a Bangalore, then guys, directly we'll jump into else if. Yes or no, guys? This thing you know very well, right? Else if, guys, yes or no? In else if, guys, we are going to some other input, guys. Suppose name dot equals, right? Name dot equals. Suppose if we'll get what? Delhi. Suppose, guys, if we'll get Delhi, right? Delhi, right? So guys, see, if we get the request as a Delhi by the end user, guy, then guys, we can print some different statement. Yes or no? Obviously we'll print some different statement. So hello Delhi people. Yes or no? Hello Delhi people, right? How are you? How are you? Yes or no? Okay, this statement we can print if we can get request as a Delhi. Correct, guys? Yes. Suppose if we are not able to get Delhi as the city name. Suppose, guys, if you'll get request as a what? Hyderabad. Okay, you will get city as a Hyderabad. Guys, see, suppose if you get the request as a Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Okay, hello Hyderabadian. Hello Hyderabadi. Hello Hyderabadi. Hello Hyderabadian. Also, hello Hyderabadian people, how are you? Yes or no? So guys, this method also you can print. Guys, see, suppose if this Bangalore, Delhi or Hyderabad, except any other cities, if you are not able to get the end user, okay, then last you can see, or we can write, guys, else, right? What, guys, in else directly we can print, guys, what? Please enter the valid city name. Yes or no? So we can print sys out, okay, enter the valid If you are going to issue in any city name, then directly you can tell what? Enter the valid city name. Yes or no, guys? Till now, any doubt? I hope you should not have, right? So guys, this is our simple, what a small program, right? Simple, a small program, right? So guys, see. So guys, run the application, see the result. What result is coming? What result is coming, guys? Yes or no? So guys, tell me. First, I will run the application. Then we'll see the result. Then I will explain the things. Guys, enter the city name. Enter the city name, guys. See, guys, if I am going to give the city name as what? Bangalore. Yes or no? If I am going to give the city name as Bangalore. Yes or no? Correct, guys? So, guys, then if I am going to enter, guys. Hello, Bangalorean. How are you? Guys, tell me. Yes or no? You are getting or not? Getting it? Yes. So let's see. If I am going to run the application, it is asking need enter the city name. If I am going to give Delhi, yes or no? Hello Delhi people, how are you? Yes or no? Hello Delhi people, how are you? Good guy. See guy. If I am going to run the application and I am giving what city name as it Hyderabad, right? So Hyderabad. Yes or no? Hyderabad. Hello Hyderabadian people, how are you? Guy, yes or no? So this message you are getting. Guy, tell me one thing. So we have some problem in this code, guy. In this code we have some problem. Can you tell me, guy, what is the problem? Guy, please be concentrated. So in this code we have some problem. Should you want to know what is the problem, or you know what is the problem? Guy, can you tell me? Guys, see, who is responsible for enter city name, guy? Who is the responsible person to enter city name? End user only. Guy, yes or no? End user only. So there one thing also you keep in mind. So end user doesn't know the city name will come lowercase, uppercase or mixed case. Guy, yes or no? End user or the what? The person who is going to enter the city name, they don't know or he doesn't know. So city name E will be uppercase, lowercase or mixed case, guy. Yes or no? But program, guy, always expect lowercase only. You can see, guy, here. So program expect only lowercase only. Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad. Guy, yes or no? You can see every time we are writing here what? Lowercase only. Guy, yes or no? Guys, see, if a user is passing city as uppercase, then guy, this code will not run. Then this code will not run. So this thing we'll see after taking the request from the end user as uppercase. Guys, see. Guys, see, if I'm going to write here Bangalore, right? Then enter the valid city name. Guys, see, directly it jump into our what? Valid city name. How the end user come to know what the code the developer has written? They don't know, right? They don't know, right? Yes or no, guys? So that is the big problem as of now. You can see here, right? Guys, see. Now if you're going to run one more time, if you're going to pass what? Hyderabad, guys. Hyderabad. Guys, enter the valid city name. Even you're writing city name is correct, but guys, end user doesn't know what the case written in backend. Yes or no? Because you know The end user is non-technical guy. Yes or no? End user is non-technical guy. He didn't know. She didn't know. They don't know. Yes or no? So guys, you know what should be the approach to solve? What should be approach to solve this issue? What will be the approach to solve this issue, guys? So guys, we have two approach. Guys, see what two approach? So wherever you're writing equals, you can change equals ignore case. Yes or no? That is the one way. Okay, yes or no? That is the one way. You can write, see, this places equal ignore case, this places equal ignore case, and this places equal ignore case. Correct, guys? Yes or no? That is the one way, guys. This is the first approach by which you can solve the issue. I hope you understood. And guys, second way is whatever the user is going to enter the city name, directly you can convert in lowercase. Yes or no, guys? Directly you convert into lowercase. Okay, this places. So see, after entering the city name by the end user, directly you can convert what? Dot to lowercase. Yes or no? Yeah, you can see here dot to lowercase. So guys, this is also second approach. First approach, you can use equals ignore case, then you can run the application. So whatever they're going to give the city name, it will ignore the case. That's the first approach. Second approach, so if you're going to take request from the end user, so what the city name they're going to enter, it may be lowercase, it may be uppercase, directly you can convert into lowercase. Guys, yes or no? Because we have passed all the city name as lowercase. Okay, this is the second approach. Right, guys? Okay, in this way you can solve this issue. Correct? Yes or no? Correct, guys? Yes. Guys, see. Then, guys, you know, one is the most important concept here. Guys, see. You know, tell me, any other issue is there in this case? After solving this issue, guys, can you tell me any other issue we have in this code? Guys, can you confirm? Yes, guys. So after solving this our case, also we have one issue. Okay, also we have one issue. So guys, I will show you what is the issue, guys. I will run the application, we will see the result, guys. Then I will tell you what is the issue, guys. Guys, see, now I am going to write Hyderabad. See, now if I will write this one also, first I will show you, okay, this code is working or not. Guys, see, I am passing Hyderabad, right? Hyderabad, right? Hyderabad, right? So hello Hyderabad people, how are you? So earlier we have issue, right? So we are passing uppercase. It was not taking that, it was taking what? Enter the valid city name. Okay, you can see. So now our that issue was resolved or not? That case level issue was resolved, yes or no? So now whatever the city you are going to pass, this result will be print as expected, guys. Yes or no? You can see, guys. Now if I am going to pass Delhi, right? So see, I am passing DELH and IJ small. Guys, see, even we are able to see Delhi. Hello Delhi people, how are you? That means, guys, now case is not matter. Whatever the case, whatever the input passed by the end user, it will work fine. Guys, see, now I am going to give some other issue in this code. We have one other issue we have in this code, guys. So guys, please let's absorb what is the issue, guys. Guys, see, I have run the application, right? Yes. Guys, see, I am going to write what? Bangalore, right? Bangalore. Okay. Guys, see, enter the valid city name. Guys, tell me why. We have written correct, right? We have written correct. Bangalore already there, right? Bangalore is already there. But even we are seeing this block is not executing else block. Guy, it's executing else block. Yes or no, guy? Guy, tell me, yes or no? Executing what, guy? Else block. Guy, yes or no? Tell me. Why, guy? Why this issue will happen here? Why issue will be happening, guy? That is, guy. So can you please tell me, guy, who will be culprit people in this case? Why this issue arise? Our development skills, what? Only because end user, guy, non-technical, right? Guy, yes or no? So can you please tell me, guy, who will be culprit people? Where this issue arised? Where this issue arised, guy? You can see, guy, even you passing Bangalore is a correct input, right? We can see here, enter the valid city name. Guy, do you know? So we have given one space here, guy. Guy, you can see. Before Bangalore, we have given one space. Okay. We have given one space. Guy, yes or no? Guy. So end user doesn't know, right? End user is a non-technical guy, right? End user is non-technical guy, right? So our developer only knows all these things, right? What is a space? What is the uppercase? What is lowercase? What is the, right? Everything, right? But if you think customer point of view, end user point of view, so they don't know, right? So guys, for that, for resolution of this issue, we have a small or very beautiful one concept in our Java in string class, that is trim method. What, guy? If you will get this issue, right? So one space, it may be what, in initial space, or you can give after a space. Guys, see, you see, we have given initial, right? So before Bangalore, we have some space are there. That's why we can see result will be enter the valid city name. Guys, see, I will run the application. And guys, see, okay, I have a mistake, guys. One more time, I will run the application. Guys, see, I'm writing here Bangalore, right? Bangalore, right? And after Bangalore, I am giving some space. See, guys, enter the valid city name. So initially or after the city name, if you are going to give any space, okay, that time it will directly execute our else block, not the what, if block. Okay, so guys, for what resolution for this issue, for resolve the issue, for that Java has given one most beautiful concept in our string class, that is trim method. Okay, what is trim method? So okay, how this trim method will work, I will show you. How this trim method will work. So okay, you know trim method. So just like that, we are going to trim our beard, right? Yes or no? We are going to what? Trim our beard. Same thing, guys. Here also we are going to trim the space. Trim is remove, guys. We are removing your beard, right? If your beard will be long, right? Then what you are going to do? You are going to do what? Remove your beard. Yes or no? So the same way here. So if the end user not intentionally, by mistakenly, if they have given some space before or after the city name, then guys, if you are going to use in background, in backend trim method, so directly we can remove the space, guys. What, guys? We can remove the space. Guys, see. So if we can call here after to lowercase dot trim, guys, dot trim, you can see guys trim method, right? So guys, after implementing this trim method guys, so whatever space you are giving, it will not matter guys. It doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter guys. So I will show you guys. I will show this trim method is working or not. Let's see. Now you can give a space. This place is Bangalore. After Bangalore also you can give some space. Then enter. Hello Bangalore, how are you? Hello Bangalore, how are you? Guys, can you tell me now? So now our code is running as expected or not? Our output is coming as expected or not? So guys, see, if I am passing here Bangalore, the result is printing hello Bangalore, how are you? It's not coming into our what else block. But earlier, before implementing trim method, directly we what came in our else block. What we should not come, right? But guys, you can see now after using trim method, directly we can execute our expected result. Yes, guys. See guys, one more time I will run the application. We'll see other city guys. Guys, see this time I am going DEL, right? And H is capital I, right? And I am giving some space. Guys, see, hello Delhi people, how are you? Guys, tell me. So now our code is running completely fine. Yes or no? 100% yes, guys. So our code running 100% fine, guys. So guys, see, a part of this trim method, guys. This is very important. So this trim method only what remove the space from initially or after our city name. Guys, see, one important interview question or one important what certification level question as well. Suppose guys, I will create one small example. Trim method check. Okay. Okay. Guys, see. Please consider guys. This is other one small important concept which generally asked in our interview guide. So let's see, if you have one string s equals to guys Java main space techie. Java main techie. Guys, yes or no? So we have one string. Guys, tell me what is the length of this string? Okay, what is the length of this string? Guys, out s dot trim dot length. Guys, tell me what should be the output? What should be the output, guys? So guys, you know one thing, trim method doesn't remove the space between two strings. Guys, see, this is two strings, right? So Java main and techie, this is guys one space, right? So guys, always keep in mind the trim method doesn't remove the space between two strings. It remove the space if a space will be a starting or end of the string, guys. So guys, this thing you keep in mind. This is an interview question. Okay, so between the two string we are not going to trim the our space. So the trim method will work only initially or last of the what string. Guys, yes or no? So guys, that thing I will what show you with running this application, guys. Okay, so guys, this is one thing. So guys, see, sys out. So s dot length. I will show you it is correct or not, guy. So guys, tell me what is the length of this guy. So guy, tell me 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right guy? Yes or no? This one 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, guys or no? Run the application, we will see the result, guys. Guys, see both the case 15 coming or not, because this adding one space or not. So guys, tell me this stream method removing the space or not? Not at all, guys. Yes or no? Guys, you can see here because we have count, right? So this is 8 and guys this is 7, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, yes or no? And guys this is the one space. So you can see in this case, guys, 16 open length s dot length also we have 15 only. And even if you are going to use s dot trim, so trim method means remove the space, but guys after using trim method we don't have remove the space, guys. Even space is remains same, guys. Yes or no? So guys, that is the main thing you need to understand. So between the two string trim method doesn't remove the space. This will remove the space when the space will be before or after. Guys, you can see here. Suppose this time I am giving one space, guys. Then I am running the application, guys. Guys, see. You're getting a note? This time, guys, removing space or not? Guys, tell me. Removing space or not? But guys, this length method is called all the length. So guys, that's it from this video, guys. This is very important concept, guys. How trim method will work in our application. If you know the concept of trim method, so you should not have any problem while implementing the Java code. If you don't know trim method, guys, you may face too much problem. Guys, trim method is very playing vital role in our Java implementation, guys. That's why I am telling you. So please be concentrated. So guys, this trim method is very important for understanding purpose. So guys, that's it from this video. If you like this video, guys, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So I will bring new concept in next video, guys. But as of now, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.